Ever seen machines bend steel like it's paper? In this Mighty Machines episode, we're diving into the craziest, most powerful metal bending machines from around the world. Massive press brakes, laser cutters, and forming beasts that'll blow your mind. Meet the heavyweight champ of sheet metal, Muttersbach GmbH & Co., bending a 40mm thick steel plate like it's folding a napkin. This beast of a hydraulic press brake doesn't flinch. It hums with confidence as it squashes metal dreams into perfect 90-degree angles. Based in Germany, Muttersbach isn't just some garage workshop. They've been mastering metal forming and custom machinery for over 50 years. And their machines can bend steel that weighs more than your car. This 40mm sheet? That's 1.5 inches thick, tough enough to laugh at regular tools. Moving along to the RHTC hydraulic profile bending machine. The maestro of metal manipulation that transforms rigid tubes into perfectly curved clamps with finesse. Crafted in Europe, this robust machine boasts 3 driven rolls, powered by a 1.5 kilowatt motor, ensuring consistent and precise bends. Its hydraulic adjustment system, operated via a hand pump, allows for meticulous control of the upper roll position, with readings displayed digitally to an accuracy of 0.1 millimeters. Say hello to the crass 3,000-watt sheet metal laser cutting machine, the surgical scalpel of the industrial world, but with the attitude of a lightsaber. Whether it's stainless steel, carbon steel, or aluminum, this machine doesn't cut. It glides through it, with sparks flying like it's putting on a fireworks show. At full power, this laser can slice through up to 20mm thick steel. Get ready for pure industrial ASMR with Rollery Special Tools. A machine so satisfying, it should come with a warning. May cause uncontrollable staring. These special tools are designed for complex, multi-radius or deep box bends that regular tools cry about. It's engineering elegance with a steel spine. Applications include creating custom brackets, enclosures, and components for industries such as automotive, aerospace, and construction. Now entering the arena, Acurl's 3,000-ton CNC press brake, a machine so powerful it makes other tools look like plastic toys. This CNC giant can bend steel beams like spaghetti. Based in China, it is one of the global titans in sheet metal machinery, delivering precision tech with brute force. This 3,000-ton press? It's like having 1,500 SUVs sitting on a metal plate, pressing it into shape with pinpoint accuracy thanks to CNC control. Just look at how this sheet gets pressed into a circle. Absolutely beautiful. Introducing the metal roofing tile roll forming machine by Hangzhou Roll. A marvel that transforms flat metal sheets into elegant, step-tiled roofing panels with seamless precision. This machine continuously roll forms and presses step tile sheets with adjustable step lengths and depths to suit various design requirements. Designed to handle materials like color-coated steel and aluminum sheets ranging from 0.4 to 0.6 millimeters in thickness, it ensures versatility across different projects. Feast your eyes on the Harsel shovel manufacturing machine, the industrial magician that turns flat metal sheets into fully formed shovels faster than you can say, "Dig it." Seriously, watching this thing work feels like it's printing shovels on steroids. With automated precision stamping, it punches, curves, and shapes each piece into a shovel head in mere seconds. Now this is metal origami at its finest. Hemming 3 tools turning flat sheets into folded perfection with moves smoother than a salsa dancer in slow motion. Hemming might sound polite, but in the metal world, it's the final finesse that gives edges strength, safety, and a premium finish. Hemming is widely used in automotive manufacturing, and the tolerances are so tight that even a 0.1 millimeter misfold can ruin an entire part. Talk about pressure. Introducing the metal sheet rolling production line by Harsel, the industrial maestro that transforms flat metal sheets into perfectly rolled cylinders and cones with the grace of a ballet dancer and the power of a freight train. Some models in this production line can roll plates up to 25 millimeters thick, effortlessly shaping materials that weigh more than a small car. Introducing the Amada, a bending machine so sleek and futuristic it looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and very powerful. It is built for precision bending with zero human intervention. The robotic arm doesn't just place parts, it flips, rotates, and positions them with laser-guided grace. The machine can perform up to 1,000 bends per shift with less than plus or minus 0.001 inches error, making it one of the most reliable robots. Up next, we've got the Vimercati Door Jambs production line, a machine that doesn't just build door frames, it engineers entryways to perfection. Vimercati is known for combining craftsmanship with automation, and this setup proves it. With high-precision press brakes, automated feeders, and custom dies, the line can shape, bend, and punch out door jambs with military-grade consistency. Next up, we have the CMSV horizontal bending press, the metal bending maestro that turns straight sheets into precision-crafted shapes with effortless grace. This horizontal press brake excels in bending, straightening, punching, and shearing, all while providing an unobstructed workspace thanks to its cleverly positioned hydraulic cylinder beneath the table. Established in 2009, Songshun has evolved into a one-stop steel solution provider, specializing in mold steel, high-speed steel, alloy steel, and free-cutting steel. Their extensive inventory includes carbon steel, tool steel, stainless steel, and various forms such as round bars, sheets, plates, coils, and strips, catering to the nuanced needs of industries worldwide. Moving on to the hydraulic press 320T by Perrier, a robust machine designed to bend 16mm thick steel plates with ease. This 320-ton powerhouse utilizes hydraulic force to deliver precise and consistent bends, accommodating various metals and thicknesses. Next up is the Roleri Vario by Roleri. This patented adjustable die system allows operators to modify the V opening on a press brake seamlessly, either manually or through CNC control, eliminating the need for multiple dies and slashing setup times. Crafted for ease of use, the Roleri Vario boasts a maximum load capacity of up to 3,000 kilonewtons per meter, accommodating a wide range of bending tasks. Its 60-degree bending angle effectively manages sheet metal springback, ensuring precision in every bend. Make way for the CNC press brake automatic bending machine by Shenchong. This isn't your average press brake. It's a fully automated servo-driven genius that grabs, aligns, and bends sheet metal with military precision. Thanks to automation, this machine can work 24/7 with consistent accuracy and reduce labor costs by up to 70%. Basically, it bends metal and your budget in the right direction. Introducing the LVD 1000-ton press brake, a heavyweight champion in metal bending that combines brute strength with surgical precision. The PPEB-H series offers models ranging from 400 tons by 4 meters up to 3,000 tons by 14 meters, capable of bending metal components larger than some commercial aircraft wings. Okay, let's meet the Ackerl 1500-ton CNC press brake, the heavyweight champion of metal bending. This colossal machine boasts a bending force of 1,500 tons and a bending length of 26 feet, making it ideal for tackling massive metal components. The Ackerl 1500-ton press brake's capacity is equivalent to the combined weight of 250 adult elephants, showcasing its immense power. Introducing the Crass CNC press brake 220 tons per 4 meters, a powerhouse in metal bending that combines strength with precision. This hydraulic bending machine delivers a formidable 1,600 kilonewtons, 220 tons, of pressure across a 4-meter, 13-foot table length. The press brake is used to bend sheet metal into parts like machine frames, control panels, enclosures, automotive components, and metal furniture. Introducing the Ackerpress press brake, the metal bending maestro that combines brute strength with brainy precision. Ackerpress, a leader in manufacturing press brakes and shears, offers machines tailored for everything from delicate sheet metal artistry to heavy plate fabrication. And that wraps up our wild ride through the world of metal-bending beasts and factory floor legends. From machines that fold 40mm steel like paper to laser-guided giants slicing with surgical precision, we've seen how modern engineering turns brute force into beautiful form. If you enjoyed watching these metal monsters in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machine content.